Okay, quick video here on using Xero with purchase orders to label your products. Now, what people do if they're trying to label products as they come in the door to their organization is in many cases they can use purchase orders that were orders you sent out to your vendor, and then when the goods arrive at the door, you have a purchase order that you can use to print labels. Like in this example, I just made a simple purchase order here with 3 items on there with quantity 5, 3, and 4. And if you wanted to label your goods as they come in the door, this is one way. We're going to also be adding support for receiving of inventory to label products. But if you're making purchase orders to your vendors and then they come in the door, this is also a great way to make, I call them inbound labels for Xero. So basically, I've taken that same order number, PO number 0010, and just pulled that in, and it's quite responsive. And then we've kind of pre-created a label design here. So if you basically just select, one of your label designs, in this case we'll use this label, and in this case I'm going to print the order quantity. So I'll do 5 labels of this item, 3 labels of this item, and 4 labels of this item. So if I just select print order quantity, ready to go, all ready to go to your printer. This does, we did 5 of the first item, and then I think it was 4 of the second item, and then right down on through the whole order. So all you would have to do is just press print here, and we would send out to your label printer an appropriate quantity of each one of those items. You could also edit those quantities, because sometimes they come in, let's say, you ordered 500, but they're in boxes of 100, so you could edit how many labels will print. You can also have a quantity value go on to the label using our designer, and you can also selectively, decide, okay, maybe if one of these was back ordered, you could just not print that one and pull up the order later when that item comes in and print that label. So this is just one way to do, incoming labels using your Xero data from purchase orders, just to make sure they're accurate. Make sure they have the right item and description and quantities on there, so you can make sure everything's done with just one click of a button. In some cases, some people want to do one label for each item. If these are like large quantities, but each one is 1 box or something like that, you can do that as well. So give us a call or email us anytime. Check these videos out and others up on our YouTube channel for Label Connector for Xero. Thank you.